Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be reviewing Tinashe Hair's 13x4 10-inch straight bob unit, and I believe this unit is at 150% density. So before we get into this install, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update. Now with this unit, you guys, I do believe this is more so of a transparent unit just because it is more so of a clear lace. Now, as I always let you guys know, with the clear lace, you definitely have to make sure you blend this really well. So I do suggest you use Ghost Bond glue, or even some type of Got To Be glue spray, or even the wig dealer spray that I usually use. The wig dealer spray is so good to use on your lace. But with this unit, I definitely just use the Ghost Bond glue, and then I use the Got To Be glue spray to lay down this lace. Now with this, I just made sure I cut as close to the hairline as I could. Sometimes I'll leave a little lace on there, just depending on, you know, how the wig is customized. One thing I will say about this unit, you guys, is that this unit does need to be plucked. When I did pull out the baby hairs, I did notice that it definitely needed to be plucked just a little bit more, just to make the baby hairs look more natural coming out of the scalp. So that's something that you'll need to do as far as this wig goes. This wig didn't involve too much maintenance, but I definitely feel like plucking will be a major part for this unit if you want it to look more natural. Now, as you guys can see, the baby hairs are laid down really well and look natural once I went on ahead and just plucked it, just to make the baby hairs look more natural coming out of the wig. Now, as far as the feel of this wig, you guys, it has a little bit of a silky texture, but more so of a yaki texture, which is what I really love. Although you never know with yaki textures, it's a hit or miss, but with this one, definitely the texture was everything. As far as the heat, I usually do my heat up to 450 degrees, so this unit did take heat really well. Now, I do want to cut this unit, maybe end up cutting it close to my chin area just to make it a little shorter, because I love my bobs to be really short. But that's just about it as far as what I would do different on this unit. Now, this unit will come bulky, you guys, so just make sure that you use a hair wax stick, which is what I'm using, or you can use any type of spray, and then also a hot comb to get that bulkiness down. Now you guys do have the option to go ahead and bleach the knots because like I stated before, this is more so transparent, so it's more so of a clearer lace. So if you want to bleach the knots just to make it blend more, go ahead. I'll probably end up bleaching my knots later on down the line, but I just decided to use my powder. The powder worked out just fine, so either way, whichever works best for you. So all in all, you guys, there was no tangling nor any shedding with this unit. Again, the only thing that you will have to do mostly with this unit is basically pluck it and then get that bulkiness down. So that would be the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.